The Spectrum Cable Box E3 error means your box isn't receiving a signal. It's often a no signal or tuner failure message, usually caused by signal issues due to weather, outdated equipment, or network upgrades. Key causes include weak signal from the wall outlet, loose or damaged coaxial cables, faulty splitters, and sometimes software glitches. For weak signal, the ideal range is -10 to +10 dBm. Check this in the box's info screen by pressing Info on the remote. This isn't always a box failure, but a communication breakdown between Spectrum and your device. Power cycling, unplugging for 60 seconds, fixes 70% of cases instantly. This error is more common in older boxes like XG1, XG2, or PACE models and can increase after events like hurricane season because of damaged lines. Also, the E3 error can spike during peak hours in urban areas due to bandwidth congestion. First, perform a quick reset. Unplug your Spectrum box for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Next, check all cable connections from the wall to the box, ensuring they're tight and undamaged. Replace any old or damaged coaxial cables and splitters. If the problem persists, try a factory reset from the box's menu. Note, you might need to repair with your account after. If these steps fail, contact Spectrum support. Wait times for technician visits average 3 to 5 days. Many users resolve the E3 error using Spectrum's app for troubleshooting. Monitor support communities for user fixes like swapping cables. Future trends point to AI-driven diagnostics that could reduce these errors by 40%.